Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6, and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into this device. Now for this we'll need one of these things, a SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. I actually do have a box right here, so you should be able to find it somewhere in here. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it comes right here with the SIM eject tool, the round one. Just pop it out and you can use it. So you can get one of these, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. But once you get one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the device, right over here. So simply push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray pops out ever slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. And as you can see, the tray only takes a single SIM card, so you can place it on here, and you want to place it with the chip side up, like this, and then insert it back into the device. The card should work immediately. There we go, as you can see, it's already working. It's telling me to insert SIM pin. I'm going to confirm it, and there we go, it's now working. Apart from the fact that it is in airplane mode, so there we go. So anyway, that is how you insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.